Hello, I am Naveen Goel from SBL Corporation. We are into fall ceiling category. I am from BNI Isha Siliguri chapter and we have been into this business since last 10 years and I am a proud member since last 3 years. One of my friend invited me to a BNI meeting. He said, why don't you come and see what is being done in our BNI meeting? So I decided to join a BNI Isha meeting one fine morning and I was very much impressed to see the referrals that was taking place among the members and also the amount of business that was happening. So I thought that was the right platform for me to join and I became a proud member of BNI Isha. I feel myself to be very proud of being a member of BNI Isha. During last year of lockdown and pandemic, I was faced with a medical emergency and my friends in BNI, they reached out to me, guided me through their experiences and they were very helpful for me to overcome this situation. In the business that I am in, it is very difficult to find times to socialize and BNI gives me a great platform for business as well as to socialize with a close group of friends. I really enjoy being part of BNI. It had been just 3 months I became a member of BNI Isha chapter and one of our members passed me a referral for his display showroom for executing false ceiling and we were so impressed to get that referral from our member and the work was done to perfection within time and it was so perfectly executed that it opened up doors of opportunities for us and we were acclaimed in the entire region for being the best false ceiling executors and we are very happy to have been associated with that project. Giver's gain is the lifeline of BNI. In our line of business, we need also to innovate along with traditions. So following traditions, we are also innovating ourselves with new technology, new product so that we can face our competitors in a better way. To innovate, we need to learn new things, incorporate new things, evolve ourselves. So we have been doing the same and so lifelong learning is what we have been doing to innovate and keep ourselves updated. Thank you BNI for giving me such an amazing group of friends who help me through business and also help me to socialize in times when I need them the most. And I'm very thankful to BNI for grooming me as a person, as an entrepreneur and helping me to take up my business to newer heights. Thank you BNI once again for changing the way I do business.